This is Mahmoud Bourjala reporting for Grand Rapids. Stay home, it's cold. We are at Sessions Disc Golf, hole 6, 415 feet. We're playing doubles, me and Clay, Danny and Mike. Are those pants Kevlar? Sheesh, that's nice.
There's some wind pushing down there.
-9. That ain't the temperature, that's our score.
Actually -11.
Oh, it's cold, baby. Let's go.
If I was your best friend, I want you around all the time. I want you around me.
Throw it.
I like it.
Where's the hoop at?
It's got a tripod stance right now.
Still missed it.
Vince! What the fuck you replay?
I got it on camera.
You would've went in, you pulled the fucking back.
I didn't see that.